SNAP stock analysis, SNAP stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1 minute video is showing you my exact play. Look, I'm the only guy in this space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. And overly, just looking at this with Snapchat, bro, it's not that I'm willing to immediately sell, it's just the truth that this is a bearish market. And practically speaking, I was like, if I see a double break, so I'm looking to take it down. This flag for the longest pulled down, so that's decent. And then since then, has never like kind of went away unless there is a full-on beautiful candle close above 970 or let's say $10 to just round it up. Then I guess I'm not going to be being bullish or anything. Just the truth, you know, people don't look like 2 steps ahead, and I mean, that's fine, do whatever works for you. I'm just sticking to something that I've tested for 5 years and I've seen what's printing. I have all the data collected. So if you want to get the Discord and all the workshops and all that, so you can not shortcut 5 years in just 1 hour, just click the first link in the description and get risk-free opportunity, you know, for exclusive sauce. 1,200 people have gotten it. See the first link below. Goodbye.